Okay, welcome to RCM Level 2 Playback. I'm going to do example review test number 1. We're in the key of 1 sharp. We have a 4/4 time signature. This example is 2 measures in length. And we are playing a G major triad. So go ahead and play that G major triad. I will play the example 2 times. And then I will allow you to play it back. Go ahead and tap your foot along with me. 1, 2, ready, go. Second time. 1, 2, ready, go. Go ahead and play that back. You can go ahead and look at the answer on page 48. And follow this playlist for example number 2 on review tests.